Hey everybody, welcome back. We are doing our Halloween little video. This is what I've done so far. This is the bar that I was telling you guys about, the hot chocolate bar. So this is what it looks like. And on the middle shelf right here, there's chocolate chips, and Ariel moved it, but there's a sprinkles thing that goes there. And there's some, what are they called? Marshmallows in one of these containers. This one has candy in it. Then I got the cups. Oh, there's the marshmallows right there. And then there's some napkins, and I just put it on that big cauldron bowl. So that's what it looks like right there. And then the hot cocoa machine's right there. And then I just decorated, you can see me, you can see my little window. And then my trick-or-treat, I always do something over there. So there's that, and then here's the table. Didn't do a whole lot of creepy stuff here. Just the little skeletons just sitting there. Ariel's pumpkin that she grew. And then my little, it sets up against the door, and that little skeleton that's in there, his eyes glow when you turn it on. And there's some little skulls inside there, and some hands. Hand there, and there's a hand on the other side, but it fell down. So that's the dining room. Let's see, over here we have the skeleton on the door, and then we have our countdown right there, add a little kitties, and my little pumpkin that lights up right there. Now I haven't finished the mantle yet, but there's the Halloween tree that we did that sits right there. So that's all I did for in here. So let me pause you for a minute and we will go outside. Ariel did her little graveyard. She did it all by herself. She did such a good job. She tried making a little grave right here, but it rained the other day and it kind of ruined it. And then she just hooked up, there's my dog. Then I'll move up closer. There's a hangman. There's a skeleton guy on there. Bear likes to get in here. Bear, no. Come on. And I have a little guy right there. And I got my sign right there. And it's got creepy cloth on it. My other one fell over. I got to go fix it. It toppled. And then she put some things on her window. It says trick or treat. There's some on another window over there. And then up here, she hung her little ghosties. She hung her ghosties. There's a creepy guy. And there's a creepy guy there. Then our scarecrow. And then I kept my fall thing up there. The witch feet that we made is right there. And her little scarecrow right there. And then this creepy guy. So that's all we did. And it says Happy Halloween on my door. So that is it. And she put some more on this window, the little clingy things, but they fell down. So I don't know how to fix that. But so far this year, this is all we've done. I kind of left it up to her this year to do stuff. But anyway, there is everything, guys. I still got to do the mantle. It's not done. So when I get that done, I will do a different video on that. So there we go so far, guys. That's it. And I hope you enjoyed our little view. I don't do a whole lot for Halloween. So I just do mainly the dining room outside here, and I'll do the mantle, and that's it. That's all that's on there. So the little witch feet came out kind of cute with the creepy grass. That lights up, but you can't see it. If I turn it on, you won't be able to see it, but it's orange. It brights orange. And I don't know if you can see. I'll try to see if you can see it in the window. See the clings in the window. And this one lost some, so she's got you can't even see them now. And this one just says Happy Halloween. So, alrighty guys, well I hope you enjoyed. And we shall see you again soon. Bye.